Introduction to search algorithms.
Search algorithms help us find a specific value within a list or collection of data. One of the simplest and most common methods is called linear search. Understanding how to code a linear search is a great starting point for learning about algorithms and improving your problem-solving skills in programming.
What is linear search?
Linear search is a straightforward technique where you examine each item in a list, one by one, until you find the value you are looking for or reach the end of the list. This approach works for any kind of list or array and does not require the items to be in order.
Writing the linear search algorithm.
To write a linear search, start by looping through each item in your list. For each item, check if it matches the value you want to find. If you find a match, return its position. If you reach the end of a list without finding it, return an indicator like -1 to show it wasn't found.
Sample linear search code.
Here's a simple example in Python. Def linear search list target for IDX item and enumerate list. If item equals target, return IDX. Return -1. This function returns the index of the target value, or -1 if the value isn't in the list.
When to use linear search?
Linear search is useful for small or unsorted lists. While it's not the fastest method for large datasets, its simplicity makes it ideal for beginners and many everyday programming tasks. As you gain experience, you can explore more advanced algorithms that can search faster in sorted data.